Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford Stroker 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1973 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Again, we have a 408 Ford Stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. The engine block painted to red with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct front sump oil pan for the 73 Mustang. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the distributor set in place. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the aluminum intake manifold. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers with a matching 13-inch air cleaner. We have the billet steel Ford Racing standard flywheel. Pilot bearings in there, all set up, ready to go. Proper balance and tooth count for the 408 Ford engine. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. Chrome fuel line, electric choke wire, heavy-duty Russell PCV line on there, PCV valves installed. You have the dipstick and tube, fuel pressure gauge, gas filters installed, heavy-duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor. We have these beautiful polished pulley kit on here. We have a heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt, belt tensions all set, 140 amp 1-wire hookup alternator right there. Coolant bypass hoses on there, correct thermostat housing for the 73 Mustang, high flow thermostats in there. We have the correct lower hose location on the driver's side for the 73 Mustang, high flow aluminum water pump, power steering pumps on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, again belt tensions all set. Every engine at Engine Factory is live run for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. That's all set. We set the idle mixture screws on a carburetor to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-run business here. So there you have it, our 408 Ford Stroker 475 horsepower engine going into a 1973 Mustang. Thanks for watching.